Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Okay, let me lower this volume down a little bit. Test, test, test. Alright. Oh, let me turn on this. Make sure that is good. Close that down. Open that. Oh yeah. Let's do this. All right. Hello and welcome to the stream. The stream that looks very bare at the moment. Give me a sec. In this stream, I will be unboxing and setting up my first 3D printer, the Elgoo Neptune 3 Pro. Here it is. Let me remove this light stand. Right. Wow, okay, I need to back this camera up a lot. Alright. Yeah, I need to back this camera up some. Back it up, lift it, raise it. And lift it up. Here we go. Almost good enough. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Elgoo Neptune V3. Well, Elgoo Neptune 3 Pro. Wow, that delay is mighty. Anyways, this is what we're going to be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing, not we. I hate that we language when it's just a singular person talking. And this is what I'm going to be printing. This is a battery cover for the Tyco Terrain Twister, which I had attempted to model this on stream last week, but last week was also the first time I was modeling with the Terrain Twister, so this took me another 2 or 3 hours to figure out how to get this shape, because I think at the beginning could I also oh cool, now I'm learning a little bit more about. Can I open up this version? Oh, open. Cool, so you guys can see my progress. So at first, this is what I had. Just basically this shape. I sketched out this shape, and I I extruded it upwards. Then I made my feet. As you can see, these feet are to latch into the back of the Terrain Twister, and they are backwards, so I turn those around. Let's open up V2. Okay, and this is V2. Yeah, this is V2. I started to incorporate the belly that goes at the bottom, and the arch that goes on top to follow the contour of the terrain twister itself. Let me put the terrain twister on camera so you guys can see, can get a reference of what this thing is, what this thing looks like. Yeah, so that's the Tyco Terrain Twister. Let me put the camera closer. Ta-da! Right. I think I'm going to switch out this camera head to the video head so I can do my pans and my tilts. Now why I did not do that at first? Why are you asking dumb questions? Right. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, this is sideways. It's very professional. Professional video production by me, which is very hilarious because I actually own a video production company, but this is just for fun. Right now this stream is for fun. So let's see. Okay, undo this. Now I'm holding the camera by hand. Let me tighten this screw. I guess I can film myself doing this. Okay, there's a turning this screw here to get this thread adapter out. Great, now I have a pan tilt tripod, and though I can't exactly tighten down this, a QR plate, slide the QR plate onto, stuck. Oh, sorry, you're looking at my very dirty floor. Come on. Okay, so I guess it does not want to go on like that. That doesn't make sense. I rotate it 90 degrees, tighten it down. Rotate 90 degrees, tighten it down. There we go. Oh my goodness. Great. Now that's locked in. Wait, let's lock it in some more. There we go. Pan. Well, this is tilt. And pan. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Alright, this is just the camera. Right. See the top of this terrain twister has nice contour. Let me stop down the lens a little bit. It has a nice contour, so that's what I was doing. I was making in the design. Ah, I messed up my keybinds. I'll have to do that again later. Alright, unboxing and review. That's what we're here to do. Let me double check, see that we're streaming. We're streaming everywhere. Okay, we're streaming on Twitch and we're streaming on YouTube. We would have been streaming on BitChute and Rumble, but those websites are weird. Not making any content is there. I'll explain that a little later. Now let's get the unboxing done. Right. Alright, I hope this was the top. Seems like the top. Let me back the camera up a little bit. Raise the camera up some. Now that I have the video head on the camera, I can tilt up and tilt down as necessary. And since let's double check to see. Okay, camera only. Oops. Do this. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. Alright, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Let's open up the aperture some. Okay, a little too much. There, looks good. Yo, proper stuff. Right, what's this? Is this instructions? Ah, instructions. Nice. User manual. Alright, let me just put this stuff aside. User manual. What's this? I don't know what this is. There's a flash drive, some needle extruders, test filament. I guess that's what this is. Test filament. Oh, I don't even have to bring it that close to show you guys. Yeah. Ah, this looks like it takes same cable as the computer power supply. Pretty cool. And this looks like it holds the the filament. Cool. And glue stick. Let's put that back there. Oh, there's stuff under here too. Okay, cause I was looking at it and I'm like, there's no way this could be all of it. Like, I've seen what this thing looks like. Right. 2 up here, 2 in the corner here. This is the top. This is the top. I've got the rest of the stuff on my bed over here. which you can't see, but if you look at this corner here and you're seeing this corner here, you could just imagine how bad my bed looks. Whoa. Get this out of the way. Okay, how am I supposed to take this out? Can you see it in the box? And basically, I think I'm going to be using this video as a reference for how to pack it back up. Just in case I either need to pack it back up to return it, which I don't really plan on doing. My touch screen. RJ45. No. Might be RJ45. This is the phone. It's the phone jack. Not. This is a smaller jack to the Ethernet jack. Like if you want hardwire, if you want cable to go to your from your modem or your router to your computer, that's the jack you use. Well, that's a smaller jack. Yeah, that was a touch screen. Okay, I just picked this entire thing up, and then this. Okay, this slides out, one like so. Oh, this smells just like my. Let's see, what does this smell like? This smells like my like the power supply when I was the computer power supply when I was building my first computer in the Fractal Node 304. That PC was a nightmare to work with and a nightmare for our first computer. I should have not gotten that case for my first computer. All right. This fits perfectly. This will have to move. If you guys know what this is, which video this is from, shout it out in the comments down below. You will get nothing, but I appreciate your fandom. Alright, and this goes somewhere over here. Let me just pack this box back. Get this out of the way. And this is the top piece that fits somewhere here. There is nothing that is immediately obvious on how this is done, so I'll put this on the ground gently somewhere. I'll burst it up, and then I'll be reading the instructions. You know, we men, we say, oh, we don't need instructions. Instructions are for women. But nah. For this particular appliance, I will definitely be reading the instructions. Right, lower this camera a bit, raise it up, push it forward because this is a 16mm lens, and it is not 60mm. Whoa. 60mm prime lens, so I can't zoom. Well, you can zoom, but you zoom with your feet. Restream chat. Okay, nobody is chatting, which is good. Good for now. Because this isn't entertaining. This is more like a documentation of that. Hey, I got me a 3D printer. and I built something with my 3D printer. I need some money, man. I need money so I could get a camera with a Sony camera with a flip out screen. This not having a screen is killing me. Alright. User manual. Please adjust the voltage to match the supply to match the local voltage before use. Adjust the voltage 100 to 100 to 120 volts to 115 and 220 to 240 to 230 volts. The default factory voltage is 230 volts. Wow. Okay. So I will definitely be doing that first. Okay, here it is over here. I will use one of these bamboo skewers. $2.15. Okay, so there's a range. The initial range. So when it was set to 230, you can need, that is basically a plus or minus 10. So 230 plus 10, 240 volts, minus 10, 220 volts. And with the 215 volts, I guess this was plus or minus 5 volts. Because plus 5 volts with 215, that's 220. Minus 5 volts is 100 volts. I never heard of 100 volts coming from your wall. I know it was either 120 to 220. Alright, so that has been set. Now do I want the printer like this to be going like that? Or do I want it like this? I think I want it like this. I may or may not have to move that curtain there. If I heat this bed, I'll be using PLA, which does not use which I don't need heated bed for. The bottom side block has been adjusted before leaving the factory, but the pulley of the machine may become loose during transportation. If the build platform of the machine is shaky and loose, the open spanner can be used to slowly twist the concentric isolation column under the platform until the side block slides smoothly and does not shake. Similarly, if the printhead is shaky or loose, the corresponding eccentric the corresponding eccentric isolation column can also be adjusted until the printhead slides smoothly without shaking, and the pulley on both sides of the gantry also have corresponding eccentric isolation columns to be adjusted. Auto leveling. Okay, let's set it up first. I'm excited. Thank you for choosing Elgoo. Okay, I definitely spelled you guys' name wrong in the thing. Caution: do not press printer in vibrating or other unstable environments. Do not touch the nozzle. Okay, clean the nozzle after printing. Do maintenance. Don't put your hands. Children, it must be supervised. Cut off power supply directly. Alright, Alright, here we go. Machine structure. Okay, so we have 1, 2, what is 3? They have something marked 3. They have something marked 3 here, and I can't exactly tell what it is. Let me swap the stream over to that screen, and then put the chat over on this screen. Okay. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is 3. Not exactly sure what 3 is. Unless this is 3. Yeah, that might be 3. Cool. Right, here we go. The TF card of the machine. What else? TF. TF? Is that this? This is the flash drive. Is this the TF card they speak of? For printing and firmware re-updates, do not discard it. I thought I saw an SD card in here somewhere. Guess this might be it. Oh, okay. So they do have the instructions on here. Right, let me get my big bag of bolts. Rapid PLA. I need to clear out this drawer and have it for my 3D printing stuff. I need to clear out all of this and just have it for 3D printing stuff. Oh yeah, I did see the card. The card was in the packing list, but this is a micro SD card. TBT screwdriver, Allen key. Yeah. Okay, here are the bag of bolts. HM5. Okay, so that's what these are. HM5s. Oh, and they're even labeled too. The bag of bolts. They're all labeled. Okay, I need pretty cool. And this is Allen key, so I'll take out one of these Allen keys. Does that fit? Yep. Alright, so 2 per side. And then the logo on the gantry, the logo on the top part faces me. Faces the bed leveler. So let's turn you it over to that way. Turning it sideways on it like this should be fine, because it's not like it has it's not like this is a fridge or a freezer and you need the coolant stuff to settle. Alright. One. Hello, I need you. Righty tighty. You're just supposed to slide in. One, two. One, two, three. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's get this out of the way. I really should have looked at some setup tutorials on how to do this. Oops, I can turn this around. So the Elgoo, so this writing here that says Elgoo faces the front. Okay. Hey. If I was popular enough to have a live audience, you guys would have probably be telling me, oh, you should have just bought a K1 or a P1P. Yeah, I don't have K1 or P1P money, unfortunately. I would have liked a K1 or a P1P. I don't have the money. I don't have the money. Well, I do have the money, but if I get a K1 or a P1P, I won't have the money to buy a Sony camera with a flip out screen. A full frame Sony camera with a flip out screen. Oh. Let me turn this around. What's jamming? Righty tighty. Then let me also line up the bottom. Whoa. Is it catching? I don't know. Doesn't even look like the screw is turning. Oh, it is, it is, it is. Can you guys even see this? I can't even tell. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I'm surprised I did the bottom instead of the top first. I love the smell of computer, electronics. All right. Ta-da! Oh, that sounds cool. I hope that motor isn't connected to anything, because that stepper motor is going to create electricity if it moves. I bought me another stepper motor. This one I'm just gonna bought it to just play with it. This here, I'm gonna see if I can make a wind. The plan is to make a vertical axis wind turbine. I don't know, I just suddenly got obsessed with vertical axis wind turbines. And I'm like, okay, well, now that I'm obsessed, I need to learn how to do 3D printing so I could 3D print one. And I could have easily done my 3D printing through PCBWay, which did not sponsor this stream. But if you guys know anything about 3D printing or electronics or anything, you guys would have heard about PCBWay. I could have used them because their prices are reasonable. And I'm like, nah. Let me get me a 3D printer. So I got me a 3D printer, but it's not done yet. I need to continue building. Okay. Oh, so this thing here goes on the side. Oh, it just goes into these rails here. Just 3-piece screws. PM420. PM420 5-piece. See, I don't. Okay, yeah, these are the right screws. So there are 5 screws in here. I probably can't see that. Yeah, mommy. Yeah. All right, I need to pause the stream, but they don't have a thing to say paused. So This is let me create that paused thing really quickly. Add source, image, add source. Oops, no, sorry, not this. Browse. Oh, that's ending. I need to create a paused. Pause. Control Alt Shift S. Save. Paused. Then open here. Add source. Image. Add source. Add new source. Paused. Add source. Browse. Paused. Open. Done. There we go. And let me mute my mic. Okay, I'm back. Test. Let me just lower that down. Okay, let's get back to building. Alright, so we're gonna be building the touchscreen holder. Okay, it's a good thing I put the orientation this way. Well, the printer this way instead of turning it to that side. I'll be using 3 of the bolts. Yeah, as I was just saying before I disappeared for a little bit. There are 5 bolts in this bag, and you're going to use 3 of them for the holder, and then you're going to use the other 2 for the thing on top. So let me just do yoink, yoink, and yoink. Then I guess I just stick. Oh shit. I guess I just. Oh, there are holes in the corner here for it to go. Cause I'm like, okay, do I just put it anywhere? I mean, I knew aluminum extrusions were powerful, but I didn't know they were that powerful. Oh, this is a magnet. This is a magnet. Sometimes I'm not all of that bright. I often tell myself I am the smartest dumb person you'll ever meet. And this Allen key does not. This Allen key does not fit. So I'll need to grab me a smaller Allen key. Let's see, does this one fit? Nope. This is the same size, I believe. The hell? This one is too big. Or too small. Okay. I think that's just right. Yeah, these hex nuts are not magnetic. I need to get comfy now. Okay. Okay, I need this to be slightly elevated. Slightly elevated but not tip over. That works. That seems to have worked. Jeez, man, like every time I try to touch this thing, every time I touch the screw, it wants to walk out. Like, please, don't do that. And yes, come on. And yes. All right, what's the next step? Okay, the next step is to put the touch screen on, and the plug goes right here. Okay, that was easy. Next step. Okay, so I use the other 2 bolts, which is here. Where did I put? Okay, here's where I had already attached this. Okay, so the other 2 bolts. Now that I plan on moving this ever, well, I do think I want to take it downstairs eventually. But I'll have to remember not to try to pick up the printer with this handle. Okay, next step. Ooh, the filament detector. I guess that is what this is. No, this is the cable clamp. Alright, let me close up my bag of tools. Put that back there. Put that down. Detector switch. Is this it? Let me check. Check and double check and triple check. Make sure it's all good. Make sure that I used the only thing that it could be. Yes. So it gotta be this. HM4, HM3. Oh yes, it is this. It is this. Okay. And this goes like so. just take this one. Nope. Alright, let me keep this safe. There we go. Okay, I think that's it. PM 4.8. Okay, so that was done. Our shape buckle fixing. PM 4-8, and there should be one of that. PM 4-8. Alright, so that is this. And then I need a smaller hex, not still. Yep, this one fits. Where does this go? This goes on the gantry. Okay, this isn't very clear. Or is it? Oh, it goes on the ruler itself. Does it? Okay, so this cable goes up. Oh yes, okay, there it is. Do I have to break this off? Okay, it goes on the back hole. But this has two pegs, so it can't go in the back hole. Unless I want it to be free balling like this. I'll put it here, and then if anything, if I decide I don't want it there anymore, I'll just move it. Alright, so this so this goes up through here, like so, I think. And then it goes up into here, I think. Methinks. So let me just up here. This don't look right at all. That does not look right at all. It isn't right at all. Dude, it isn't right. They threw me a curveball. That's what it is. Okay, so that particular part, the wire holder, is not right. Okay, moving on. For all you know, I could even print I could even 3D print a wire holder. Right, so this I need to plug this in here. I'm so amazed that a lot of these connectors look like 2-cell balance leads. Like for this on top here, this looks like a 2-cell balance lead, and for the stepper motor itself, also looks like a 4-cell balance lead. Let's see, can I turn up the brightness some? Nope. Let's see, can I turn this down like so? Nope. That doesn't help. But sorry, oops, what about if I do this? Nope. The lighting is so weird because I'm filming against a dark background. Let's see what if I do this. Does this look better? Somewhat. Looks somewhat better. Alright, filament detector switch. I did that. X-axis limit switch. So that's on the side with the motor, which is over here. Oh, and it's even labeled X and also X. So this thing on the side here, this is the limit switch. This is matter which one I plug it in, which one I plug in. Guess not. Oh, I guess you can't misplug it, because for the limit switch, it also looks like a 2-cell LiPo lead, LiPo balance plug, And for the power to the stepper motor, this looks like the 4-cell LiPo balance plug. Okay, and this will have to go into the top. X and Z, the Z stepper. This one is fairly simple. Okay, Z stepper 1 plugged in. Okay, on the other side, this does not exactly look right. So what do I have to do for the other side here? I guess for the other side here, I just plug in whatever needs to be plugged in. Oh, the wire for the Z stepper can't reach. That's gonna be problematic. Plug that in and plug this in. There we go. I can't get the wire for the Z axis to come out. Let me turn the whole printer around to show you guys. Oh. Turn this around. Alright, that's perfect. And then I'll scoot you guys closer. Scoot you guys all the way closer. Alright, let me move these bougie essential waters, which I don't drink, out the way. Alright, I'm going to disconnect you guys from this main camera here for the tripod. Yeah, come on. Okay, yes, so this wire here can't reach here. That's the issue I'm having. Let me up my ISO, then close this down, and focus. Yeah. So I'll figure that out, then we move on to the next step. I'm at F8 right now. F4, there we go. So let me figure this out skillfully, gracefully, without breaking this fully, and packing it back fully. And is there an extension anywhere? Nope. There isn't an extension wire. I do have, let's see. Alright, well, it's a good thing I bought this then. I'm going to use this as an extension. Could I? No, I cannot. I can plug this one end in and have the other end look like a giant servo lead. Does look like a giant servo lead. I'm not going to fight up too hard to show you guys because you cannot see it. The camera's too wide, the angle's too wide. But I did buy some more cables, some more of those types of cables for stepper motors so I could play with them. Now to figure out what I did with those cables. Is this it? No, these are my 5-volt regulators. This is the belt for the stepper motor. These are on-off switches. Velcro. Let's put this stuff out the way for the sake of cleanliness. Alright, I got diodes to build full bridge rectifiers, capacitors, resistors. It's funny, this wire was already out and about. And for this side here, it's already stiff. Like there is absolutely no give, no play, no purchase, no whatever you want to call it for this wire here. Let me grab some tweezers to see if I can encourage that particular wire to come out and play. And of course, now that I'm looking for the tweezers, I can't find it. Never mind, I just found it. Tweezers, yes, got them. See, these wires are long enough. Why isn't this wire long enough? Yeah. Well, this feels like this is it. This wire is not long enough. Ah. God damn it. And this here, can you guys see this? Let me tilt up so you guys can see. This is not the right piece either. Unless they want me to. Well, I could make this be the right piece. Let me grab my tools and I'll take this off. Okay, there's a bit of wobble here, so I'll tighten up the top and bottom screws. Then this plugs in. Wait, where does this wire go? Okay, this goes from the bottom. So why can't I lower this? Oh, of course. Opening the latches would have made things easier. Alright, that's locked in. That's there. Okay. That's fitted. So when this does its thing, oh, wow, you guys weren't even looking. Sorry about that. Yeah, so this is fitted, this goes underneath here. I was trying to route it above, but it goes underneath. Now for this. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I definitely don't want to break this cable. Oh my goodness. Now the only thing to do is to complain on Reddit. I'm stuck. I'm in a bind. The only thing that could help is if I could find that other cable. Oh, let me look on Amazon to see if I can get a stepper motor extension. Is this a 6-pin or a 4-pin? 1, 2, 6-pin. Alright, so I found it. But could I get... But this comes on Saturday. I want to see if I can get one that come tomorrow. Bro, I should have... Well, first I need to find them damn cables that I bought. The mother cables. And then I'll check to see. Let me go into my orders. Alright, stepper motor online. Motor connector cables. This here are these extension cables. I can't tell. Let me close this down. Alright, yeah, sorry, where were we? Yeah, we were here. So this is the cable that I got. These look like they're male to male cables. These don't look as if they will help me any. Yeah, these are male to male cables. So I definitely don't have the right cable for this. So I have to buy one. Damn it. Ah, it's so close. Six pin. Filter. Get it by tomorrow. Tomorrow by 3 p.m. Show 8 results. Female to female. No. Get rid of that. So let's do prime. This sucks. Free delivery tomorrow. Alright, but these are 4-pin cables, I believe. Oh man, these are 4-pin male to male. These are also male to male. That's so disgusting. Check out. Seriously tell me that I can't get 2 centimeters? This one, this cable here, there's play. You'll probably hear that. this one here. Can't even grab it. Absolutely nothing. So weird that you can spin the motors from here at the bottom here and it moves easily, but if you actually try to move the gantry, it doesn't move. And it should be fine, right? Probably not. I'll tighten this. Yeah, since this can't be tightened, I can't even do my bed leveling, because if this side moves, well, I guess it could be done, but I prefer to have both motors moving instead of you just having one motor move. And this Z motor can't, this wire can't be rerouted anywhere either. Let me unplug these wires and try again. You are unplugged. You are unplugged. Unplugged and get out of my way. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Though I would have still wanted some more clearance. I need to get onto there. I need to get onto there. I need to get onto there. Oh, it's zip tied onto here. Why would they do that? Can the whole bundle of cables move? I don't know. And again, the flashlight is far away from me. Alright, let me not do anything to damage it. Damage these cables. Yeah, those bastards is zip tied. They zip tied it to the bottom. Let's turn this over. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. There we go. I got this. I got it done. I got it. I'm so happy. I'm incredibly happy. Alright. Plug these back up. 1, 2. Let's proceed to the next step. I think I'll stay on the floor. Okay, they were talking about build the platform being loose, being shaky. I don't think this is what they're talking about. I think these are the bolts that they put up through the bottom. So let me get Let me get the proper hex screw for that. I think the hex driver. I think that is the biggest one. This one. Now we need to get to these screws without damaging, without tilting it and damaging anything. Can I pop this out? This is in the way at the moment. Yeah, pop it out. Yeah. Pop it out. There we go. Oh, I'm actually losing it out. Okay, so this needs to be tightened. It's not flush with the bottom of the machine. Which is strange because it gets progressively tighter even though it's not flush. Okay, so this side is flush. This side is not flush. Yeah. So okay, push down on this side. So sketchy. So incredibly sketchy. Okay. There we go. There we go. Yes. All right. It also seems like that was the exact bolt I needed to tighten. Well, actually both of these bolts needed to be tightened. Wow. These were 3 whole turns loose. That. Yep. That would have definitely given me issues during printing. Alright, so that is flush. That is flush. Let me tighten up this side too. Okay, so that was a 3/4 turn. That was a 5/8 turn. All right. All right. Okay, somehow the table is not solid. If I push my finger down to make sure to set the printer solid, it doesn't move. Anyone in the chat? No one in the chat. Good. Well, not good, bad. But progress. Now I get to turn it on. I get to plug it in and turn it on. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. What is this? These are the lights. Alright. This is it. Oh, I should probably put this side clip back in. There we go. Okay, so the power supply, the printer is off. Undoing this here. This is 3 feet. It's a 3-foot cable. Plug it in. Plugged in. Let's see. Okay. So that power supply, this power strip has to stay on. Alright. Printer is plugged in. Let me just back this camera up some. You guys still hearing me good? Oh, what happened to my music? The music's still going, but nothing is coming through. Is it like super quiet? Let me hear what's going on. Test, 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 test. Alright, let me just readjust the levels here. Okay. Alright, stop looking at the floor. Behold the printer, 3D printer. Stop down my aperture, son. Right, instructions. When first running machine, the distance between the platform and the nozzle needs to be calibrated in the leveling mode, which is about the thickness of an A4 paper. Okay, oh, I actually need A4 paper. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't have to go too far for A4 paper. I should have A4 paper right in this drawer over here. Nope, not that one. This drawer should have A4 paper. Behold, A4 paper. Move machines power down, select level, each axis of the printer. Alright, and it also gave me a warning to say, saying that the printer will only detect the metal the metal plate. So if, for example, I had replaced this bed here with a glass plate, the printer would not the nozzle would not recognize it. I'm guessing it's capacitive. Alright, y'all. First, power on. First, turn on, power on test. Ooh. Alright, let me double check everything one more time. Filament detector, pop, pop, pop. This is plugged in alright. Z-axis, plugged in alright. This is plugged in alright. That was something clicked. What clicked? What clicked and why did it click? Limit switch, X pushed in, this pushed in, this pushed in. Alright, here goes nothing. Right, let me just peel this off. Do I need my tweezers to peel this? It seems like overkill. Alright. I'll select level. Confirm. I'll go look for my tweezers in the meantime to peel that thing off of, to peel this. Where the hell are those tweezers, man? Like, bro, I just had them. I just had the tweezers. They were in my pocket. I'll keep this A4 paper on standby just in case. Okay, sorry. What do I do now? Come on. This is a very oh, here are the tweezers over here. Oh, worst peel ever. most unsatisfactory tech peel ever. Um, Alright, I'll press this. Confirm. Okay, so like the maximum bed temperature is 140 degrees. And right now it's raising. Temperature is raising. Yeah, 140 degrees Celsius. And the hot bed is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the paper comes after I do the leveling. The bed is heating up quite nicely. Quite quickly. So right now I'm going for some isopropyl alcohol and I'll spray it on the screen just a little bit to get rid of that paper. It's probably not what you're supposed to do. Alright, the nozzle has reached, oh, it has surpassed 143 degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius now. This is probably a bad idea. Again, the worst peel, the worst sticker peel in tech history. You guys are seeing that, right? Super cool. Okay, yeah, this is really capacitive because I feel a little tingle of electricity when I touch the screen when it's wet. Okay, it's at 7. Oh, it's at 9 now. Oh, the entire thing comes. I'm sorry, Elgoo. I have judged you too harshly. So behold, see this? This is what I was trying to get out. As you can see, not very good. So I got my tweezers on the hair. Wow. In the corner here, it even had a little tab to show me that I could have pulled it out from there. Unbelievable. Anyways, this This is the bed leveling process. I'm not quite a fan of this hot burning smell. Well, not burning smell, but it smells like I'm cooking. That hot metal smell. And then I have my curtains back there and my blinds. I'll be very careful. There are the 6. Alright, so you see the bed temp at the bottom. Pay attention to the distance between the nozzle and the bed, about the distance. Okay, damn. I don't have tripod height set up. Tripod is too high for you to properly see. So I'll just put you guys right back up here. Alright, here will have to suffice. Here's my A4 sheet of paper. Let me open this door. Okay, so the paper can't fit. Alright, so I'll set it to 1mm and I'll push it up. Okay, this is good. Okay, so a whole millimeter is too much, so let's do 0.1mm. No fit. Whoops, still no fit. Okay, this seems good. So minus 1.6 millimeters can't fit. Minus 1.5 millimeters, it fits. So let's also fine tune it. So I'm going to go, adjust it plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. So as it stands, minus 1.5 millimeters. It fits. Let's go down. Minus 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. I'm just bringing the nozzle down until it gets stuck. Okay, so 0.6. Compensation leveling is completed when there is friction force. So I guess oh, this definitely smells like an iron. I'm ironing clothes. Alright. And when I'm done, what do I press? Calibrate the bed. Oops. It's gonna do that again. Should not have done that. Not a big deal. Yep. Alright. Now for these this test filament here that the printer came with. I'm finished with my A4 paper. I'm gonna open up this test filament and do a quick little test. Throw that in the trash. Okay, did not mean for that. This is giving me some issues, so let me grab my pliers. Okay, wrong pliers. I got these pliers, but I really needed the cutting pliers, which alright, here we go. Alright, and this is my filament. My 3D printer filament. That looks like an incomplete slinky. Where's the other end? Lord, how do you prevent this? So I'm just gonna like pull this out a little bit. Like pull it out like a slinky. To ensure that it doesn't tangle up. Alright, let me bring back my paper. Okay, I like this. Now we go back. Model test. Print head feeling check. First, push the filament into the bottom of the print head. So do I not use the detection thing? Don't I put it through here? Guess not. I got put it. And I do something like so, I think. Prepare, extruder, load, okay, now the print nozzle is heating up, is going to heat up to 200 degrees Celsius. Super duper exciting. (192 degrees Celsius out of 100, out of 200. Okay, click prepare, extruder, load. After the nozzle is preheated, click the feed. So what do I click? Okay, it's at 200 degrees. It's going. It stopped. Oh, there we go. There we go, and it came out black. Gross. Crap, I should not have pulled this out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in when it stops turning, and then I'm gonna print benchy with this. Alright, move. What did it? Oh, okay, that is stuck to the nozzle tweezers. Okay, knife will work. No, I need the tweezers. So the nozzle picked up the poop, the filament poop that was on the print bed, and now it's stuck. Okay, there we go. Ah. So the white filament came out black. This is an interesting USB cable. I think I'm going to connect the... Okay, this is like printer cable. Let's see, I should have a cable like this. Okay, that is micro B. But this cable is actually not too short. Wow. See, I just been making problems for myself. So this is the cable here. Somewhat short. I plug this end in. Come on. Yes, I plug this end in, and I just so happen to have a USB extender cable right here. So plug that in. Right, and now I'm going to be going to the computer, so let me take my chair. You guys will stay looking at that. Stay looking over there. See where I installed Cura. I'm going to check to see where it is. C-U-R-A Ultimaker Cura. Screen and cam. Okay, let's go to screen on camera only until Cura comes up fully. I wondered if the computer recognized that I plugged in a printer. Alright, here we go. Screen and cam. Get started. I agree. Next. Let's do skip. Not an Ultimaker printer. Oh, it's a non-network printer. This is what Elgoo. So let me close this down. Elgoo Neptune 3 Pro. Next. Okay. Next. 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 Finish. Nice. Okay, so how do I? What's to do here? Okay, right click to move around. Left click does nothing. Right click to look around like this. Da 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 da. So do I have to bring benchy in? I thought benchy was like a bench test, like a default. You just load up. See file, new project, open project. Edit, select all models, arrange all models, clear build plate, view, settings, extensions, preferences, report a bug. So I have to go and download benchy. If I have to go download benchy, then I'll have to do that. Let's go on thanks. See, okay, there's no one in the chat. That's all cool. I'll save this. Benchy, okay, so I was not wrong. Wrong when I call it benchy. Now don't ask me why benchy is called benchy, for I don't know. Benchy STL. Nope, I will not be following because it ain't that serious. All right. Is there anything else I'm supposed to be doing here? Is this fine? An hour, 5 minutes, 12 grams of PLA. Let's say preview. Fertilize. So no overhangs will be created. I mean, I'm fine with that. Cute. I'll have to be sure to tag any models that I make. Tag the models like that. Toot. 240 240 layers high, 12 grams, an hour and 5 minutes. Okay, I want whichever one is the fastest. Let's do extra fast. Slice. Slice, and this will take 4 to 3 minutes. And I guess on this particular layer you can see how the print. I want to know if that little bit of spool, the little bit of stuff that I have on the printer right now is enough. 12 grams. I don't know if that is enough. Alright, let's go. Print via USB. Oh, print via USB. Okay, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Let's see, do I have to confirm anything on this end? Let me get out of here. Okay. And there I was attempting to unplug the cable. Yo, it seems to be working. It's working, it's working, it's working. It's working. La la la. I am happy. But I'll have to wait. How long do I have to wait? 40 minutes. Look at that. Très, très magnifique. Okay, so I'm gonna just do some cleaning up now. All of the extra knickknacks that were just hanging about when I unboxed the thing. I'm just gonna put them up. Put them up so all the tools I need will be in one concise spot. I'll probably have to make some time to put the box up in the attic. I don't think the box can fit in my closet. Wow. This is pretty cool. I'm going to lower the legs of the tripod. And this one. And then we all bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. It down to the floor. Drop it real down low. Drop it low, girl. Then we lift it up. Yep, let me close down my aperture just a little bit. I'm actually getting annoyed with either the lighting or this camera lens. So let me move this video light. I'm gonna set up a different video light. Alright, so this light is gonna turn off. Alright, do not panic. Do not panic, I'm just rerouting this cable here because I have two video lights, but I only have one wire setup. And oops, on. So I just raise the light values of that. Okay, this isn't bad. Let me check to see if I have any comments. I doubt I have any comments. But doesn't hurt to check. Where do I go to check comments again? Dashboard. Alright, I think I'm going to turn up the music just a little bit. Yeah. Just gotta keep closing this down. Alright, I'm going to remove, I had this in my cart, the extension cable. I don't need that anymore, thank goodness. The bottom of that boat is coming along quite nicely. They don't show half hour left. So they see, but I'm already seeing the bottom of that boat and it looks quite nice. Alright, so I definitely need to put my art up on the wall. Should definitely have this up in the background like so. Yeah, that would be dope. Do I have nails? I don't have nails. I have a bunch of M4 bolts, but no nails. I'm still walking around with this glue stick in my pocket. Put that up. Put that up. As the printer is putting more filaments in, that spool is going. Alright, so I definitely have to watch that spool, just in case there's not enough to hold on to the bed and all of the filament just falls off. I don't want that to come into contact with the bed because it will die. It will melt away. Since, though I know nobody really is watching, I don't particularly want you guys to just be watching this video feed going. So what I'm going to do, okay, thingy first, I'm going to save that. I am going to look for how to make a latch, a fastener or a latching mechanism. No, I can't. Crap. Okay. Let me show you this. So this, let me open up the V3. This is the battery cover that I want to make. the battery cover for the Tyco Terrain Twister. I'll print this, see if it works, then print it again and print it again until it works. So the point is, 1, to get the battery cover, and 2, I want to mount an FPV setup onto here. I have, right. Let me put this in front of the camera to show you guys. I have this. This is a tiny all-in-one FPV setup. So this here is the camera and the transmitter together, and I just plug in a very tiny battery, a 1-cell LiPo, which I believe this is. I just plug this in and I get FPV setup. Though it would be very easy to just glue this onto the battery cover, I want to make this like make a waterproof enclosure for this. So I have like an all-in-one solution. And to do that, wait. Oh. Yeah, this is the this is the FPV camera. I want to make this so it can stick onto the battery cover. So either this or a bigger camera, because this one, the resolution, it's not that good. Now, if I had the camera on this drone here, let me show you. If I had the camera on this drone, this is the Bardwell V2. Josh Bardwell partnered with Lumineer or whoever and put this kit together. If I had this particular camera, that would be great. But I don't particularly want to hard mount the camera to the case, and I also want to run batteries and stuff under the cover so it can be waterproof. So anyway, this will be, I'll do after I print benchy, I'll print this. I'll print this to you up. That sounds scary. No, this is the V2. I don't want to see the changes to that. Yeah, this here. Kind of nervous as to how to go about printing it, because this is somewhat of a complex shape. I don't really care about layer lines and whatnot, but I kind of want this to print properly. So I could either print from bottom to the top, which might be a bit tricky considering that this curves at the bottom here. Actually, that shouldn't be too much of a problem. The sides of the Tyco Terrain Twister curves, but I don't think this has to curve because this is going on the inside of the battery cover. This is going on the inside, so I don't think this should be a problem. Okay, well, I wouldn't know until I print it. So when benchy is done, I'll print this. Then if it fits, it fits. And this is hollow. I might have some issues with supports over here because this is hollow. You know what, we'll see. This is what prototyping and relatively cheap filament is for. is such an accurate name. Stream has been going for, because everything seems to be working quite nicely. Okay, I'm not gonna keep legit just looking at that. So I should probably think of something else, either to model while we wait, or at least something to look at, something to think about downloading. So after benchy is done, I'll do this, which I've said multiple times. Oh, right. I almost forgot. Thinking. Alright. Let me go get these straps, these bungee straps. Well, let me find them first, because I don't remember where I'll be putting stuff. And it's in the top drawer. Why is it in the top drawer? Does it belong in the top drawer? No, it doesn't. Alright, so that's gonna keep going. There is nothing particularly that's gonna be exciting about that. Oh crap, I don't want to film in this direction because my room is dirty. So I'm gonna put my chair back over there. Alright, so along with the printer which I bought today, I also got some things to enhance my Tyco Terrain Twister. So I might as well deal with that stuff now. Open up the aperture. Oops. Open it. Yep. These were the bungee straps I was complaining about. So I was like, oh, where are the straps? Where are the straps? I don't even use them. That is so cool. See, when you're buying stuff on Amazon, it's actually somewhat worth it to delay the order. And wait until everything comes in one box. And I actually prefer this as a driver. You know, you wait and you have all your stuff. Like, you keep your stuff in the box in your cart, then you check out, and then you delay the order so that everything comes same day. Ain't nothing more annoying than You drive to one house, you work 3 days in a row, and all those 3 days, well, once you're in the same area, you deliver to the same house 3 days in a row. I'm like, come on, y'all. Come on. Have some discipline. Keep the stuff in your carts and have me show up one day. Unless you want to pay the $2.99 and have it shipped overnight. Alright, I got me a wave cap because I have never really been into waves. I want to be wavy. I want to be gray and wavy. That's oh my goodness. Is it warm? Okay. This looks like underwear. Alright. Please don't think less of me. Wavy. Is this how you do it? Somehow I don't think so. Wave cap. I got Dean's T to JST connectors. These are for my batteries. I have an RC car that has a 2200 milliamp hour 2-cell LiPo. The Terrain Twister also uses a 2-cell, but the Twister uses JST. That ESC. Wow, why am I hiccuping so much? That JST uses ESC. That ESC uses JST. So I have JST to Dean's T because my batteries are Dean's T. Oh, what's this? Oh, I got some filament. So when this test filament is finished, I'm going to be using this filament. These are 4 spools of filament. At first I thought this is like, oh, this is junk filament. I'm just going to be using this until I'm good with the 3D printing. But no, these are just like somewhat samples, because normally when you buy filament, you would buy a 1 kilogram filament, which is 1,000 grams of filament, and that would be 1 spool. 1 spool you put on here. These are 4 spools weighing 250 2 spools with 250 grams of filament. So this is not exactly junk filament, it's more of like a variety pack, but the total is equal to 1 kilogram of filament, which is pretty cool. And I have whole, can you see that? Oh, this is the lens YouTubers be using. It's like, ah! This is the YouTube, please. Ah! Showing something. Oh man, that's incredible. Yeah, so let me put up this filament. Oh, not put it up, put it down. The other thing I got. Oh, a deburring tool. It's a good thing this came in a box, because usually on the Flex app, this would be labeled as a plastic bag, either a plastic bag or a small customized box. This might be a bit too small to stick my address my address and the QR codes and all that jazz on it. I have delivered some tiny items like this, but this would have been a pain for the delivery driver to find. Alright, these are the tips, and this is the tool. Oh man, presentation, man, come on. I'll just leave this at the side here. Trash. This is... Right. This is a 2-cell LiPo with a JST connector. You're thinking, oh, 2-cell LiPo with a JST connector. Ethan, are you going to be using this to power your Terrain Twister? No. I'll be using this to power the transmitter for my Terrain Twister, my new transmitter. Okay, well that wasn't all that necessary. I power my new transmitter for the Terrain Twister. So right now I have the Terrain Twister working with this transmitter here, which I'm not really a fan of. I mainly want to have a surface transmitter so I could control everything with one hand. With this, I have to do it with 2 hands, and I have to film and all of that. So I'm going to rebind the Terrain Twister with this transmitter here. Yeah boy, GT5. Okay, the grip. Oh, and it even comes with a what you call it, a receiver. Fly Sky. I'll keep this. Oh, that's beautiful. So I'll be driving the Terrain Twister with one hand and filming with the camera in the other hand. Okay, I have a channel 4 here, channel 5 and a channel 6. That's dope. This channel 4 here is a 3 position. Oh, I have a channel 3. Channel 3 feels like bricks. I have channel 3, 4. Oh wow, you guys can't see anything because this is entirely blown out. How about this? I swear I'm a professional videographer, man. Oh my goodness. Then I have 5 and 6. So when I figure out how to control the tilt function on the Terrain Twister, I'll add that to channel. Oh, this is an extra grip for the back. I don't need this. Okay, when I figure out the tilt function, I'll add that to channel 4. Alright, I'm going to just stick this to charge. Wow, this can't be half hour already. Let me check the slicer. 7 minutes left for benchy. Has it been 45 minutes already? Have I really bullshitted for that long? That's incredible. Benchy is almost done. %. Wow, this is dead. This needs to be charged up. I have another lipo. 94%. Let's go. Okay, so I definitely don't have enough filament to print anything else. I think benchy will be done before I run out of filament. Alright, so I'm going to use this lipo battery right here to pour up and see what's good with this GT5. Yep, benchy's almost done. It's almost done. Aye. She is almost done. Okay, I am not going to trust this camera screen anymore. Maybe I need to look at the histograms. Because I'm looking at the back of the camera, and this is looking very incredibly bright. Okay, the histogram looks normal, which makes sense. I'm looking at the screen, the computer screen, and that seems Let me turn down the music a little bit. Yeah, the computer screen seems normal. Two minutes left on benchy. Have I really bullshitted for 4 to 5 minutes? Oh, sorry about the silence. I'm just standing in utter amazement that we're still going. Not that we're still going, but the printer, my first prints, and it has not failed. That is why you calibrate your print bed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm also surprised that the printer was able to manage the bottom, see that curve? That curve from the bottom of the boat to the front of the boat, it sticks out without any support materials, which, surprised that it did not need support materials. Okay, it's doing like the topmost layer now, it's doing the smokestack. On Cura, it says it's at 98%, 4 to 9 seconds to go. What time is it now? 8 o'clock. Good lord. So this has been about 3 hours. "20 seconds to go." It is done. It is done now. How do I just yoink? How do I remove it from the print bed? Ah! I am not entirely sure how to remove it from the print bed. I definitely don't want to use a knife. Do I have anything like a spatula? No, I don't. I can probably run downstairs to see if I have like a spackle kit. Oh, this should work nicely. Should probably use something to brace. Okay, so I messed up something. I messed up some things somewhere along the line because I know for sure this is not supposed to be. Okay, this print bed ain't too hot right now. Hey. So I guess I have to use a knife and try my darndest not to cut myself, because I think nobody wants to see that. There we go. Look at that, guys. Could you... Is this manual focus? It was in manual focus the entire time? Look at that. Printed my very first 3D model. ct3d.xyz. Very nice. These new lenses are very fine too. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm gonna go show my mom. Check it out.
Cute. But that's what you printed?
Mm-hmm.
You design it and print it?
Mm-mm. For some strange reason, this is something that the 3D printing community has rallied around as your first print.
So you could make something cute that's white. What's wrong with your head?
This is a wave cap. I got me a wave cap because I want a wave.
You know you have hair coming through the wave cap?
No.
All of it gray. Can you see it? You can't see it.
I can see it.
You can see it?
I can see it, yes. Even the grey ones.
Well, I guess I can't see the black ones.
Yeah.
So you went to the beauty supply store and bought yourself a wave cap?
No, I got it on Amazon.
Oh.
What? Why do we have wave caps?
No. I was going to tell you, you went and you bought a wave cap and you didn't buy back my... The brown thing that is here. What is it called? A bonnet or something?
Oh.
Hey, you! Oh.
What happened?
I yawn and I fuck my belly. Oh, full of fat.
Put up the food. Put up the rice, sorry.
Maybe, but because it won't be there. It takes too long to cook. Did I see something on the phone?
I am too far away, you know.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, you needed me to get something for you?
No, I think I want off-field work.
Ah, okay.
Oh, you know, I can't remember if this was it. But tell me the story with the classes.
They're all sorted out now.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That gotta be more excited than that. Come on.
No, me and the head of the department we gaff.
You in a hurry to go back to what you're doing. Come tell me what happened.
Hold on, let me. Alright. Alright, well benchy has been printed. I'm not gonna print. Oh, okay. Go back and focus. I'm not going to print the other thing yet. I'm not going to print the cover for the battery cover for that tonight. Yeah. So thanks for watching, everyone. Oops. I need to change this. Change this to ending. Yep. So yeah. Oops. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's been real. 3 cheers for joining the 3D printing community. Here, 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 here. Here, 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 there, and everywhere. Alright, y'all. Next stream, I'm gonna print the battery cover. I'm not gonna do that tonight. Alright. Bye bye. End stream. You can find me on YouTube, Rumble, and